Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a stopwatch in code.org Applab. So let's begin. As you can see here, I'm already done with the design. So I'll just show. I have dragged three labels here. One for the minutes, the second is this one, and the third one is for seconds. And here are the two buttons, start and stop. So I think you already know what start and stop button will do. So start button will start a stopwatch and stop button will stop a stopwatch. So let's begin to code. So first we'll have to make two variables which are seconds and minutes. So var seconds is equals to 0. Okay, copy it and wait, paste it, and again paste it and change this seconds to minutes. So yeah, now we'll write set number label 3 to minutes, and set number label 5 to seconds. Yeah. Now we just have to code for how the stopwatch will work. So for that to happen, we have to code that when this start button is clicked, it should change this number after every second. So I'll write on event, which is button 1, on event button 1 is clicked. Okay, function. Yeah. When the button is clicked, timed loop. I'll drag a timed loop here, and 1 second is equal to 1000 milliseconds. So after 1000 milliseconds have elapsed, after every 1000 milliseconds, it should change seconds by 1. So after every 1000 milliseconds, seconds is equal to seconds plus 1. And again, set number label 5 seconds. So whenever 1000 milliseconds have elapsed, it would change the seconds by 1 and set this label to seconds. So let's check if it's working or not. I'll click this button and it is working. So yeah. So now we have to code for this minutes. So okay. And I'll just do another thing. Okay. Seconds is equals to 0. Set number label 5 seconds. Okay, and again I'll copy it and paste it here. Okay, so now yeah, and I'll also change the seconds to minutes. Minutes is equals to 0. Set it to minutes label 3. Yeah, so as you can see, when I click on run and click on start, it would start. And when I again click on start, it would set it to 0 and again start. I'll just reset it and start again. Yeah, see. So I think I'll remove this. Yeah, this is good. So yeah, so now we'll code for the minutes part. So I'll drag another time loop here, and 1 minute is equals to 60,000 milliseconds. So I'll write 60,000 milliseconds. whenever 60,000 milliseconds have passed, minutes should change by 1. So minutes is equals to minutes plus 1, and seconds is equals to 0. Set number label 3 to minutes, and I'll again copy it and paste it here. So it set the label 5 to seconds. Yeah, and now I'll code for the stop button. So on event button 2 is clicked. Function. Yeah. So it's stop timed loop. This one. Stop the timed loop. Yeah. I'll just show it to you in blocks. So it is like this in blocks. I'll just run it once. I'll press start and it's working. It's working fine. So now we'll just wait for 1 minute. So just wait and just watch. We'll see if that happens or not. 1 second is equal to 1000 milliseconds, and 1 minute is equal to 60,000 milliseconds. Correct. Yeah. So let's see. 1 minute is going to happen. Our seconds clock is absolutely fine. Let's check. So yeah, 1 minute is about to happen. Now we'll see if it's working. Yeah, absolutely fine. So now I'll press the stop button and it has stopped, which is absolutely fine. Yeah, and I'll do another thing. I'll copy it again, this one, Control C, and I'll paste it here. Yeah, and this one I'm going to do minutes is equal to 0. Set, yeah. So this is when we press this. When we press start and when we press stop, it would stop and set these both to 0. So yeah. So today I showed you how to make a stopwatch in code.org Applab. So we'll meet in the next video. Adios.